Hi, welcome to Eat Well. Today I'd like to show you how to make vegan orange chicken.
I bought plant-based chickens. This one is lightly seasoned one. And this one is more seasoned, but I feel too much seasoned, so I'm not gonna use it today for an orange chicken. Put the chicken with cornstarch powder in a plastic bag and shake it. Prepare oil and fry it. I can hear nice crispy sounds. Let's chop ginger and garlics. For the orange sauce, put the juice from 1 orange, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, minced ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of water, cornstarch water, half cup of cornstarch and half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar.